What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. I know what you guys are thinking. Where did I go? Where did I disappear for the past 4 days? I understand your questions and concerns. No, the channel is not going anywhere. We will be back to the normal grind starting today, every day here on Crypto TV. I was actually working on my second channel. I had a crazy trip. And I mean literally crazy, and I'm trying to take a day or two of rest. And I'll explain more about that in a little bit, and you'll be able to see more on my second channel here. But I was all over the place. Last video we made, I know it says 6 days ago, but it doesn't feel like it was 6 days ago. It's probably 5 days ago, but anywho, I think Thursday was the last video. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Dang, yeah, it's been a while, and I really apologize for that. But if you've been following me on other social medias, you'd kind of know where I've been. If you just type in my name really quick, you'd see I've been making some posts here on in the community tab. Basically what I've been doing, I made 4 days ago, who's ready. So I've been working on this card. It's taken a long time, but what a learning experience. As you guys can check out my other channel link in the description if you want to keep updates here. But you can see that, and also on my Instagram, you'd know what I've been up to. But basically, in short, I needed to get some stuff done on the car that it was physically impossible for me to do. No chance. And good friends that I've made over at 23rd Garage in Chattanooga, Tennessee, were able to help me complete it, which means I can officially finish my car that I'm rebuilding here. So basically, we left Friday at 8 a.m., did a 10-hour drive to Tennessee from Florida, straight with a truck and trailer trailering a car, which was new to me, all the way 10 hours straight to Tennessee, staying there. And then the following 3 days, working 13-hour days straight, doing framework and metal work and welding and welding and pulling and crazy stuff for 3 days straight. Then the last day, we loaded everything back up onto the trailer, and I did a 10-hour drive straight home, obviously stopping for gas and food, but back home. And I got home yesterday at about 4 or 5 o'clock. I left at 4 a.m. in the morning yesterday to get here. And yeah, it has been an insane couple of days here. And I'll be honest with you, I had zero time to make videos. I on a cruise, I had more time than what I've had in the past days, because we were getting up at 7 a.m., working till 8 p.m. for 3 days straight, with maybe an hour break to grab some food and then get right back to it. So it was insane. I recorded all of it. They recorded all of it. It's going to be some wild stuff and some wild videos, and it's so much fun. I'll be honest, probably not for everyone, but for me, it was a blast. And that unfortunately meant I couldn't record videos, but we are back on the grind, and I'll be editing the videos for that and videos for this starting today. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are too. Big milestone. The stress is over. It's what a wild ride. Let me tell you that. But with all that being said, the things we are going to be looking at, obviously XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, the S&P 500. And I'll be honest with you, in the 5 or 6 days that I was gone, I kept an eye on the markets, and not really much has changed. The S&P surprisingly has, started to come back up a little bit. Nothing crazy here, but Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP haven't really been seeing much movements. Yeah, kind of falling lower here, and we'll update you guys in a minute on that. But for the most part, I didn't look like I missed much, which is good, but also bad. And I'll explain more about that in a bit. But with that all being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump back into today's video. So guys, we left off about 6 days ago, maybe 5 days ago. Dang, I messed it up already right there. That's unfortunate. But you can see something massive is coming, and I hope you guys are ready. It's been like a ticking time bomb, patiently waiting for the markets to, reveal their next move here. And unfortunately, we haven't really been seeing much. You can see over the last 7 days here that we haven't been seeing much movement. Literally, we've been flatlined out for majority of the time I've been gone, had a little dump, and we're pretty much back in the same level of trading sideways. Ethereum sliding lower, BNB sliding a bit lower, XRP a little bit, but honestly, there's nothing that I felt like I missed out on here that I had to jump onto the computer and make a video for you guys. It just doesn't seem like that was something that I missed out on. So honestly, it doesn't seem too bad. Now, again, I feel really bad breaking routine, but this is during extreme circumstances that I have to. This was one of those times that I had to do that, but we'll be back on, and I have no further plans to not make videos for a very long time now, so I'm happy. I'm excited. It feels so good to be back showered, shaved, and oh my, I can't wait to explain more to you guys on my second channel here, but absolutely, it's just been an absolute blast and crazy mayhem and going out of my comfort zone, but Diving back into the technical analysis here, I'm still bullish. Just taking a quick gander right here. You can see, unfortunately, yes, we're going to have to extend this out, but it makes sense. You can see clearly why we're going to have to extend this out here. We're still in the same pattern, same downtrend here, and we have yet to, we kind of started to trade a little bit below. You can see the break to the downside here of the blue band, which is a bit interesting, I would say. Could we tweak it a little bit? I don't know for sure, but we're definitely still inside this descending fractal here. We're still creating these kind of falling wedges, and we're still in this fractal here. And in my opinion, I think it's a good thing. I think, the fact that we haven't broken down and out of it means there's still probability of a break to the upside here. You can see consistently, even if we get rid of this blue uptrend here, we ignore that. The fact is, each of these break us up. 1 bullish run, 2 bullish run, 3 bullish run, and we're looking for the 4th. So these kind of bull flag formations, these descending fractals, have a tendency to break to the upside here. So I likely think that that's what we're going to see happen now. I'd likely believe we are going to see a bullish run to the upside. Yeah, obviously we're taking much longer than anticipated here, but everything is priming itself up for that recovery that we're all patiently waiting for here. And as I said, I'm a conservative trader, so I'd like to wait for the conservative break to the upside before I wait for anything else, before I buy in, because I'm, impatient. I'd rather wait for the opportunity to prevail itself. And I still think it will. You can clearly see the lower high stepping stone downtrend clearly inside of it. We haven't seen any sort of big swings up or big swings down that would say we broke in or have come out of it here. But you can see the downtrend is still clear as day. We broke through this, unfortunately. We're back down to support, and we're still going to trend out of it. And you can see we're also flatlined out on bottom support here. So this soon will also eventually rally to the upside. In my opinion, I really do believe that we are still due to see that break, and we just need a confirmed closure on the daily above this yellow band for us to buy in with confidence. And we have so much room now to pop off here. You can see here with us trading sideways, with us trading at 23 in the RSI, extremely, near the bottom of being oversold. It is only a matter of time before it reverses up and sees a pump to the upside here. I'm very, very, very excited for the next chapter of crypto, and I'm a strong believer that it will be XRP pumping to the upside. Now, obviously, we're going to be taking advantage of this on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Basically, there's lots of things that we can take advantage of here. Lots of opportunities. You could buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you can possibly think of is offered on BidFi. As you can see here, we have what's even cooler is XRP. Right here. So you can leverage trade XRP, which is a game changer in this world that we trade on. You can see you can take profits, and the stop losses are right here. You can see right here the leveraging amount that you want. You can see that you can short. You can see that you can long. Everything you can possibly think of is offered on BidFi, including a welcome reward sign-up bonus of up to $2,888 completely free by signing up with the link down in the description below. So make sure to get familiar. They will be re-adding the demo account very soon to the exchange, which I keep harassing them to add, and they will, because they removed it by accident here. So once they get everything set up on the website, they're going to repost the demo account back to BidFi here. So and I'll update you guys when that happens too, but for the time being, we just have to be a bit patient. But moving forward from then on, you can see what's really exciting to me is you need to prepare for this XRP break. I don't know how much more textbook this can get here. This is so freaking textbook for a pump to the upside. It's just hysterical. There is going to be a large pump coming once we see that confirmation above that resistance level. Once we get confirmation above here, it's an easy entry on BidFi to long it and leverage to the upside here, which I'll obviously keep you guys posted about. But moving forward, nothing else has really changed within the market. You can see Ethereum is doing its thing, trading yet again inside this kind of descending fractal. We're getting very close to back inside of it, which I think we will be doing soon. And then you can see even for Ethereum, or for Bitcoin right here, doing the same thing. We are inside this kind of descending fractal, which again, I believe is bullish, pretty low in the RSI. But again, I think we're inside of this and we're getting ready for a pump to the upside. So it is only a matter of time. It is truly only a matter of time before we get to see that big, spontaneous, fairly large rally to the upside here. I'm a strong believer that it is going to come when we can confirm officially breaching, I would say, above the blue band of resistance. We should be playing catch up to the upside here. Now, I'm not really sure where we left off. I think I left on the 8th. So the 8th is the first, we left right here on a low point pretty much, right here. Thursday, 4,400 points. We're starting to head up, and I think that's what we're going to continue to do. I really do believe that we're going to like continue up like that for quite a bit, and it's going to pull crypto with it here. But otherwise, that's pretty much it for today's video. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.